Hello everyone, welcome to Bar Chart Data Analysis. Today we are going to learn how to add drop-down lists with single or multiple options in Google Sheets. This is a handy feature that can help you organize your data and make your spreadsheets more user-friendly. I will start first by showing the easiest way to create a drop-down list, but before the end of the video I will show you some cool tips to do it even faster, so keep watching till the end. Let's get started. So click on Data on the menu and then look for Data Validation. Click on that and you will see that on the right of the screen you will have a new section called Data Validation Rules. Click on Add Rule and then on Apply to Range. Then you can select the range of cells where you want that drop-down list to appear. By default you have two options and you can decide to change the background color and the text of the option. You can even add more items, clicking on Add More Items. You can edit the text, so let's add an option 3 for instance, and you can keep the same colors or change the colors. You can have two options with the same color, no problem. When ready, click on Done and let's test our cells. We can select one value per cell, but what if we want to have more options selected? So let's go back and click on Allow Multiple Selections. Done! Now we go back, we can open the drop-down list and then we can now add all of the options at once. Great, isn't it? But there's also another way to add a drop-down list, so click on Insert and then Drop Down. This will take you immediately to the Data Validation Rule window and add the drop-down to the cell where you were positioned before. But if you want the drop-down list to appear on the whole column, you can select the whole column and then Drop-down List from the Insert menu. But what if you have already a big list of options that you have already written somewhere? Well, in this case, you just select the column and then Insert and then Drop Down, same as before, but this time instead of Drop Down, you select Drop Down from a range. Then click on the range and select the range of cells where the options already stay. And voila, you can see that the options are now in the validation rule. You can change the color for each of the options as you like. And this is the same process as before. Done! That's it, we have successfully created a drop-down list with single and multiple options in Google Sheets. This can help you create more organized and interactive spreadsheets. If you have found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more spreadsheets, tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.